What if tomorrow's farms grew sky-high, sipped raindrops, and delivered salad fresher than your notifications? Hey all adventurers! Today on Around the Awe, we're diving into the vertical revolution sprouting inside skyscrapers, shipping containers, even abandoned malls. Buckle up, this isn't sci-fi, it's lettuce that never sees a storm. Vertical farming is stacking fields like Minecraft, but with sensors and software instead of creepers. Farmers control light, nutrients, temperature, even carbon dioxide inside sealed plant factories. Plants grow year-round, 14 floors above a pizza joint, oblivious to droughts or floods. Here's the jaw drop. A 10-layer farm cranks out 20 to 30 times more lettuce per square meter than a regular field. Plus, with 8 to 12 crop cycles a year instead of 2, output rockets without grabbing new acreage. That's turning one basketball court into 100. Slam dunk against severe global land scarcity for our crowded future. Water? Outdoor lettuce gulps about 250 liters a kilo. Indoors, recirculating systems trim that below 95% less. Those savings matter as aquifers dry and cities ration taps. Pesticides? None. Sealed rooms keep bugs out, so chemicals stay off plates and out of rivers. Because these farms sit beside city blocks, produce zips from harvest to store in hours, not weeks. Shorter food miles mean less diesel, less spoilage, and crunchier leaves. 733 million people faced hunger last year. Vertical farms won't replace wheat fields, but they add rapid, climate-proof capacity in places without fertile land, from Arctic towns to desert megacities. What about the energy bill? LEDs and climate control cost watts. LED efficiency has doubled in the past decade and keeps rising. The fix: smart lighting that dims when plants nap, rooftop solar, and waste heat capture from data centers downstairs. Each tweak chips at the footprint. Investors are nibbling. The vertical farm market hit $8 billion this year and is growing over 20% annually. When money sprouts, innovation follows. Bottom line: vertical farming is a land and water multiplier, a freshness accelerator, and a resilience booster in a warming world. It's not the whole food puzzle, but it's a shiny, stacking piece. Love future food stories? Smash that like, seed the subscribe button, and share this video with your hungriest friend. Until next time, keep orbiting curiosity right here.